Hello and hi to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, once again we are here with a very interesting question, and the question today we are having that is, an amount of money is to be divided among PQ and R in the ratio of 3:5:7 respectively. If the amount received by R is rupees 4,000 more than the amount received by Q, what will be the total amount received by P and Q together? So here we have to find out the total amount received by P and Q together. So for this, the first thing which we have to do, we have to just find the total amount of P and Q. So here the first thing which we do, that is let their amount be. So let their amount be, that is in the ratio. So we are having the ratio that is 3x. So this is for P, 5x for Q, and 7x. So these are the ratio which have to be distributed. So this is for P, so this is the ratio for P, and this is the ratio for Q, and this is for R. So in the question, if you see, if the amount received by R is 4,000 more, so here we take according to the question. So the amount received by R is how much? That is 4,000 more than the amount received by Q. So this is Q, and R received 4,000 more than Q. So this is a condition according to the question. So R is having the amount of Q plus 4,000 more than the Q. So now we can be able to find out the value of X. So here the ratio of the amount of R, that is 7x, is equal to, and for Q that is 5x plus. I hope you have completely understood till here. So now this becomes, that is 7x minus, this goes this side and becomes 5x, is equal to 4,000. So here we get, that is 2x is equal to 4,000, and x is equal to 4,000 divided by 2. So this becomes, that is 2 ones are and 2 twos are 0, 0, 0. So here we get the value for x, that is 2,000. So this is the value for X we have just found out. Now according to the question, so what will be the total amount received by P and Q together? So we have to find out the amount received by P and Q together. So now amount received by P. So what is its ratio? That is 3x. So this becomes, that is 3 multiplied by x, and the value of x, that is 2,000. So P receives how much? That is 6,000. So 3 multiplied by 2,000, that is 6,000. and amount received by Q, and that is in the ratio that is 5x. So here that is 5x, and this becomes that is 5 multiplied by 2000. So 2000 is the value for x, and Q's share or Q received, that is 5 multiplied by 2000, and that is 10,000. I hope till here you have completely understood the method for its solution. So the total amount received by P and Q now will be, so here the total amount of P and Q, and that is P plus Q is equal to, so the amount received by P, that is 6,000 plus, and for Q that is 10,000, and this becomes that is 16,000. So this is the amount for P and Q together, and now this becomes our answer. I hope you have completely understood the method and the method for liking its solution. So please subscribe the channel Aptitude Math Learner, and don't forget to share it with your friend. So thank you very much.